Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel, girls. If you're over 40, you'd be happy to use this product. I just got done creating, I can't believe I created a wing. Look at that. I love this product, and I want you to know how great it is and how easy it is. So if you struggle with eyeliners, you're going to love this product. So just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to use the color Wood. I like that these are retractable. That makes it really easy to use. You don't really have to sharpen it. There is a built-in sharpener in here if you need it. And then this rubber tip down here is what you can use to like make the wing if you want a wing. Now, I did use that the other day and I was really impressed with that. So you don't need to bring up too much. And all you're going to do, it's just, I usually start from my pupil over. I have close set eyes. So, you know, if I brought it all the way in, it would just bring my eyes closer. I like for them to look a little bit wider apart. And that's what liner will do for you. Liner just really intensifies the look that you have. See the difference in this side and that side? Now, my eyes are not the same on either side. This eye is a little more round and this one's more oblong. So I have to really compensate when I'm using products like this. But see how that just glides? Now, I haven't ever used one that's quite this creamy. And of course, these are for 50 and over, and I'm 61, so it's working good for me. Now, this is how you use this little thing. Let's just use this. I used this the other day, and I really did like it. I like the way it just kind of flicked it up, and I didn't really have to do anything, you know? That was nice. Now, here we go. Well, I'm just going to add a little bit of color right there. See that? And you take this little thing here, and all I did was go across it and just kind of flicked it up. And I was like, well, whoa. Now, I don't want a wing, but I do want a little bit of upswing. is that a technical thing? No. But I do love this. And this is not like, it's rubbery, so, but it's not flexible. Does that make sense? And that's a good thing because you want it to be stiff so that you can manipulate it better. If it moved around, you would not like it. But you see how I'm able to just kind of manipulate it and get it right up here? Yeah, that's why I like it. Now, you use the tip, and then you can use this part to kind of smooth things out. So if you made boo-boos or something and you wanted to come back over, you can smooth it out really easily. I mean, I'm not perfect. I'm just not. So, but I do really enjoy using these. I love all the colors. Now, I haven't used all the colors. You see that? I got a wing. I didn't struggle either to get it. So that's really nice because I usually struggle. Now, this is something else I thought about if you use these. Now, if you want to do like an outer V, this would be perfect. Outer V's would be perfect with this. You just need a small brush, and all you got to do is just kind of take it up and in and out. It's going to stay all day, and you're going to have no fallout. I did that the other day, too. Really, really nice. I loved it. But today, I'm just going to be a wing girl, okay? Okay, both sides are done. That is so pretty, y'all. I love it. Now, this is an easy way for you. If you want to bring some color underneath here, you don't have to, but say you want to just connect the dots, in other words. Just make it look like a full-blown look, because a lot of times when you have the wing, you really need a little bit right here. So I'm taking this bullet brush. It's Morphe M431. See that? Perfect. Perfect for right here. You will have more of a steady hand if you do it this way. I promise you. Because sometimes, though, these things are little, but I have better, because what I can do is put it on here and I can blend and add it at the same time. So that just makes sense to me. Oh, yes. And it doesn't have to be that dark. You see the difference that made underneath? Now, let's do the other side. Just get a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. And just connect where you left off. And just bring it right underneath there. I wouldn't bring it all the way in unless you have really wide set eyes. My eyes are close set, so I pretty much keep everything from pupil over. I don't bring anything down to drag my eyes down, okay? I just can't do it. Can't do it. I have my daddy's eyes. My mama had real deep set eyes. I didn't get that. But she could do some beautiful makeup. I know that. That's where I learned it all from anyway. Yes. Now, I'm going to put my mascara on, and we're going to look how it looks all finished up. I think you're going to love it. Okay, it's time for me to tell you a little bit about these. There are 5 color choices, but I wrote down some notes here because I don't want to leave anything out, okay? They're water resistant. They are smudge proof, budge proof. I'm telling you that's true because I've already worn it here in Alabama. It's hot here, and I did use the colors yesterday. Perfect. Nothing. I didn't have, you know how sometimes when you get a liner and you think you look great, you walk in and nobody tells you, right? Nobody tells you that there's something wrong until you go into the bathroom and you look in the mirror and there's a big blob right here. That has happened to me, and I don't want it to happen to you, okay? So they're mess proof. They're infused with hyaluronic acid. Yay! That's a good thing. They are a creamy texture. They're buttery. They're pH balanced, and they're ophthalmologist tested. So they're good for us. They are. Something good for us older ladies. Finished look. What do you think? I love this. I'm going to be doing this every day now, but I am going to try all the colors. I really want to try that green one. If I do the green one, I may come back and do that one again for y'all. I think that one would be really pretty. I do. I think it would be. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope you try this. At least give it a shot. You just never know. These are perfect for, I'm just telling you, they are perfect for our older eyes. They don't, you know, sometimes when you get them, they kind of drag across. These aren't. They're very creamy. They're very nice and blendable. You will love them. I swear you will love them, okay? So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only. I appreciate it when you come and hang out with me, and I will see you next Sunday. See you later.